was just in the garden. Check this out. Fresh, we think it's marjoram. It's like spicy Italian. I have fresh basil. Seriously.
Ooh.
Out of the garden. And look at this.
What's the one spice that you really hate?
Sage.
No. You call it cat pee.
Sage.
Oh, is it sage?
Yeah. Look at these tomatoes. Costco tomato plants. Thank you very much. Fresh tomatoes. Like they smell like tomatoes.
Oh, I had some other.
So we're gonna
really
co-mix with. But they don't even look the same. Like, how can you compare? Look at that.
They're so juicy.
Oh my god. Anyway, Dave is making pasta, so I'm going to pour a glass of wine.
Oh, I'd love a glass of wine.
Yeah. All right. Let me finish that one, I guess.
Okay. So
Before
here we
you
go.
start, why do we drink 2 different types of wine?
my taste buds are much more refined than Missy's.
So there are CBGs, cheap but good, both Italian. Yours is Earth of Mario, Terre de Mario, and mine is a little Angelo. I've always loved Angelo, and I really like the label. And I don't know, they're from the. Funny enough, they're from the same territory, but they have a slightly different taste.
I love how you say, I love the label. It's the same way that Missy picks her football teams in a football pool.
Oh, yeah.
It's either, an animal-related team
color.
name, like the Broncos.
Horses.
Or they've got
horses.
good uniforms.
Yeah.
Like the San Francisco, you love the red and the gold.
The red and the gold, I know.
There's no way to pick a football team.
My dad probably shouldn't have had 3 girls. What are you cooking? Well, here, cheers.
There we go.
We had a wonderful visit, stay in Tribune. The eyes, as Mary D would say, where are the eyes? Lovely stay in Tribune. We would have stayed way longer, but we have a southeasterly and it's 10 to 15, but you know what? It's already kicking up, so we're here in Cortez Bay.
We arrived and I thought I'm gonna just quickly go and set the prawn traps, and which is really just not far out of the bay.
Yeah.
And I get out of the protected bay and I'm slammed with like 3-foot waves.
Yeah.
But
so tonight was going to be a cold, rainy night, and Dave thought we'll do pasta, and we caught prawns yesterday just outside of Tribune, and so the majority of them were a good-sized prawn, but there's some little ones. So we call those pasta prawns. I guess.
I will not discriminate.
No, we'll eat a prawn as a prawn. All right. So what are you making tonight?
It's a very simple dish. It's just I've kind of caught on to these one-pan pasta dishes. So in a single pan, you throw in your.
Which is the definition of one pan.
Yeah. I'm gonna cook the prawns separately, so I don't overcook them. I'll add them afterwards. But we've got onion, and we've got tomato, and we've got spinach. And we've got these other nice herbs that came out of Missy's garden. We have cherry tomatoes, and we're going to put them together with just the pasta, raw pasta. Throw it right in there. A little bit of olive oil, and a little bit of white wine, and some chicken broth.
Veggie broth.
Veggie broth. We'll let that cook. Add in a little bit of cream. We've got some. We've also got some tomato paste. We're gonna give it. It's gonna have a little bit of a rosé flavor to it. And after that's all cooked with herbs and spices, add the prawns that are already cooked, and some Parmesan cheese, and off you go. You're
giving Stanley Tucci a run for his money.
Well, I would. There's no comparison. Stanley's way better than me, but I'll do what I can.
All right, stay tuned.
All right, cheers, everybody.
All right, so I've topped up my wine. It smells really good in here. So Dave, what you doing?
Well, we're all the ingredients in the pan, and it is boiling away. Pasta's cooking. Everything's thickening up. The aroma is fantastic. I'm going to be cooking the prawns momentarily, and then after that we'll put them all together. Put a little Parmesan cheese on
Where
there.
did you catch the prawns?
Ooh, the prawns came from Tribune Bay, off the west point of Tribune Bay in about 400 feet of water. Shout out to Maury from Dengue, who said that's where I should go. And I got out there, and there's 5 other traps in the water, so it must be in the right spot.
Did you cork them?
No. But I think I just had the better bait. Anyway, we got 90 odd prawns, mostly big, some small.
Still with the Carlisles?
We got prawn bait, we got pellets, and we got Carlisles.
Tell me about the Carlisles.
You know, some people say it's the
Cat's
thing,
meow?
the cat's meow for a prawn perspective,
But it's cat food. Is it tuna flavored?
You know, I think it's just the fact that the prawn pellets disseminate and dissolve and get some flavor out there, and the prawns are attracted. I mean, I'm a firm believer of reusing the bait. You know, 2 or 3 days in a row, and when it breaks down, I think that's when you get the most prawns. My theory.
Where did you hear about Carlisles?
You know, it's a Royal Van thing. I don't think it really matters that it's Carlisle's. I think it can be any cat food.
Well, you can't find it anywhere.
Well, you can. Ironically, Pages in
my God, I love Pages.
In Silva Bay
Pages.
carries it just because the guys at Royal Van at Tugboat Island across the bay will buy it because they think it's the thing that catches all the prawns.
And what flavor cat food is it?
Carlisle's only comes in one flavor.
Which is?
I think it's like tuna.
Really?
Yeah, I know.
Have you read the ingredients?
No, I just threw it in there. And I had a little bit on my finger. I tasted it. It was okay.
Stop.
True
Ew.
story.
Ah.
Anyway, this is cooking very nicely.
How long?
I will turn off the heat, or not turn it off, but I will let it simmer. It's starting to thicken up a little bit, and I'll turn down the heat, let it simmer, and cook the prawns, and look to add them in shortly.
Delish.
There you go.
All right, so David and I are a little bit different because he believes that when it says pre-washed on a package that it's actually washed, and I don't. So when you buy spinach that says it's pre-washed, I always wash it.
It wasn't just pre-washed, it was double washed.
I don't know why you fall for that every time. Because when you take it out of the plastic, it smells. Anyway, it's all pre-washed. So Dave put in just a little bit, which was not, you can put in like a whole 2 bags of spinach.
Okay,
It
so I
reduces
put
to
in a little
nothing.
bit, and then I added 3 different times. I added more and more.
And you can add more.
And then I just added another
Because
bit.
spinach is so good for you.
It does disappear.
It disappears. And you don't even know it's there. So we're going to finish off with the
We're
rest
not
of
gonna
this.
we're not gonna put all that in there, but
We might.
it's
Anyway, we're going to try it. Dave's like, let's give it a try. All right, we're going to try the sauce. Oh, mon Dieu. It's delish.
I might get some tonight.
What?
Okay, maybe not.
Cut! Cut!